To configure Debank wallet address import, start by understanding what Debank is and its purpose. Debank is a popular cryptocurrency wallet that allows users to manage multiple blockchain assets in one place. Importing a wallet address is essential for tracking and managing your cryptocurrency portfolio. First, go to the Debank website and log into your account. If you do not have an account, create one by following the sign-up process. Once logged in, navigate to the wallet section where you can view and manage your wallet addresses. To import a wallet address, click on the Add Wallet button and select the Import Wallet option. You will be prompted to enter the wallet address you want to import. Make sure to enter the correct address as any mistake can lead to loss of funds. Next, select the blockchain network that corresponds to the wallet address you are importing. Debank supports multiple blockchain networks, including Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Polygon. Choose the correct network to ensure accurate tracking and management of your assets. After selecting the blockchain network, you will be asked to enter a label for the wallet address. This label is used to identify the wallet address in your Debank account. So choose a descriptive label that makes it easy to recognize the wallet address. Once you have entered the wallet address, selected the blockchain network, and added a label, click the Confirm button to complete the import process. Your wallet address will now be added to your Debank account, and you can start tracking and managing your cryptocurrency portfolio. Best practices for configuring Debank wallet address import include double-checking the wallet address and blockchain network to ensure accuracy, using descriptive labels to identify wallet addresses, and regularly reviewing your wallet addresses to ensure they are up to date and accurate. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily configure Debank wallet address import and start managing your cryptocurrency portfolio with ease. Debank provides a user-friendly interface and robust features to help you track and manage your assets, making it an essential tool for cryptocurrency investors and enthusiasts.